Are you searching for the best thermal camera? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best thermal camera in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, TOOLTOP T7 Android Type-C Thermal Imager. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 2, MILESEEY Phone Thermal Camera. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 3, Victor VC328B/ a mobile thermal imager for Android phone. Victor 328 mobile thermal camera for Android phone. Type-C IP65 industrial inspection heat loss detection infrared thermal imager. Introduction: mobile phone infrared thermal imager is a portable infrared thermal imaging analyzer with high precision and quick response, which adopts an industrial-grade infrared detector with small pixel spacing and high resolution ratio, and is equipped with a 3.2 mm lens. The product is lightweight and portable, and can be used directly when plugged in. With the customized professional thermal image analysis app, it can be connected to a mobile phone to carry out infrared imaging of the target object, making it possible to perform multi-mode professional thermal image analysis anytime and anywhere.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4, InfiRay's Xinfrared T3 Infrared Thermal Imager. InfiRay's Xinfrared T3 Infrared Thermal Imager, monocular night vision thermal camera for Android phone outdoor hunting with laser, high-quality optical lens, equipped with 256-192 high-resolution infrared sensor, excellent imaging effect, 25 Hz high frame rate imaging, smooth picture flow without lag. Used with mobile app, it supports taking photos, videos, and storing them in the photo album, allowing professional thermal imaging analysis anytime and anywhere. Add points, lines and rectangular boxes for regional temperature measurement. Lines and rectangular boxes support high and low temperature tracking and high temperature alarms. Number 5, InfiRay P2 Pro Thermal Imager for phone, camera for smartphone temperature measurement analysis tools, model P2 Pro/P2 thermal camera, resolution 256x192, frame rate 25 Hz, P2 Pro temperature measurement range -20 degrees Celsius 550 degrees Celsius, P2 temperature measurement range -20 degrees Celsius 170 degrees Celsius, accuracy ±2 degrees Celsius, focus mode manual, supporting system Android 6.0 and above system, palette white hot, black hot, iron red, rainbow etc., video storage support taking and saving photos and videos.